Life Philosophies Unleashed.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you've ever felt like you're running on autopilot or find yourself puzzled by the decisions you make, you might just need a fresh mental model. Today, we're diving into 5 realistic mental models for immediate life change. So grab your coffee and let's get into reshaping how you think and transform your life starting today. 1. The feedback loop model. Let's kick things off with our first mental model, the feedback loop. This model is all about action and reaction, essentially making it your personal growth accelerator. Think of it as your built-in GPS for life navigation, constantly updating your route based on new data you receive from your experiences. Imagine you're learning to cook. Each dish you prepare offers insights into what spices work best, or how high to set your stove. Similarly, in life, each decision you make and every action you take provides you with feedback. This could be direct outcomes or indirect reactions from others. What's crucial is what you do with that feedback. By consciously analyzing what happened, you understand what adjustments are needed for improvement. Now, let's break it down. You try a new approach at work. Maybe you speak up more in meetings. The feedback? Colleagues begin to see you as a leader, or maybe some of your ideas don't resonate as well as you hoped. Reflect on this. Why did your input work or not? What can you tweak next time? This is the loop in action act. Observe, learn, adapt. To make the most of this model, cultivate an environment where feedback is welcomed and constructive. Encourage open dialogues, ask for opinions, and most importantly, listen. Not all feedback will be easy to hear, but every piece is a gold nugget that, if used wisely, brings you closer to your goals. Implement this model by setting small, experimental goals. Monitor your progress and adjust your actions based on what you learn. This isn't just about correcting errors. It's about enhancing what already works to make it even better. Each iteration brings you closer to mastering your skills and deepening your understanding. Remember, the feedback loop isn't a one-time fix. It's a continuous journey. It demands persistence and resilience, but rewards you with accelerated growth and adaptability. Embrace it, and you'll find yourself evolving with every new experience, better equipped for the future. 2. The 5 Whys model. Moving on to our second mental model, the 5 Whys. This is a powerful tool for getting to the root of any problem by simply asking why 5 consecutive times. It's like peeling an onion, layer by layer until you reach the core. The beauty of this model lies in its simplicity and the profound understanding it can provide. Let's illustrate this with an everyday scenario. Say you're feeling overwhelmed at work. Ask yourself, why am I overwhelmed? Your first answer might be, because I have too much to do. But why do you have too much to do? Because I'm taking on too many projects. Why are you taking on so many projects? Because I feel I need to prove myself. Why do you feel the need to prove yourself? Because I'm unsure of my value in the team. And finally, why are you unsure of your value? Because I haven't received clear feedback on my performance. See how we went from a surface-level feeling of stress to identifying a deeper issue of needing feedback? This insight can shift your approach from trying to manage time to seeking constructive feedback and affirmation. To effectively use the 5 Whys, it's important to be honest and open-minded. Don't look for excuses, seek true causes. Sometimes the answers will challenge you or reveal uncomfortable truths about your beliefs or practices. However, this deep self-reflection is necessary for genuine change. Apply this model regularly, not just for solving problems, but for understanding success too. Why was a particular project successful? Such questions can illuminate strengths and effective practices worth repeating. Incorporate this model into your daily reflection or team meetings for continuous improvement. Remember, each why should lead you closer to actionable insights, not just more questions. By regularly practicing the 5 whys, you develop a keen eye for underlying issues and become adept at navigating complex challenges. It's about building a habit of critical thinking that keeps you one step ahead in life. 3. The inversion model. Next, let's dive into the inversion model. This intriguing approach involves thinking backwards, starting from where you don't want to end up and figuring out how to steer clear of that destination. It's like plotting your course by first identifying the obstacles and then navigating away from them, ensuring a smoother journey toward your goals. Imagine you're aiming to improve your health. Instead of just setting goals like eat healthier or exercise more, the inversion model prompts you to consider what could derail these goals. Maybe it's snacking late at night or skipping workouts after a busy day. By focusing on avoiding these specific behaviors, you create a stronger framework for success. To put this model into practice, start by envisioning a scenario you want to avoid, let's say, burning out at work. Now, work backward and ask, what could lead to burnout? Perhaps it's taking on too many projects without adequate breaks. What behaviors contribute to this? Maybe you're not delegating tasks effectively. By continuing this backward inquiry, you identify and address each contributing factor, thus preventing the unwanted outcome. This model is especially powerful when planning long-term projects or significant life changes. It encourages you to anticipate challenges and preemptively solve problems, rather than reacting when issues arise. Think of it as strategic foresight preparing the ground so that future you has fewer hurdles to overcome. Moreover, inversion is not just about avoiding negative outcomes. It's also about enhancing your ability to make strategic decisions. By consistently focusing on what not to do, you often uncover innovative ways to approach your goals. It's a counterintuitive twist that enriches your planning process, ensuring you're not just drifting towards your goals, but actively steering away from potential setbacks. So, next time you set a goal, flip it around. Ask yourself, what could go wrong and how can I prevent that? This mindset not only prepares you for obstacles, but also deepens your understanding of what it truly takes to succeed. Embrace this model, and you'll find yourself making smarter, more resilient decisions that lead to real, sustainable progress. 4. The margin of safety model. Let's explore the margin of safety model, an essential tool for anyone looking to build resilience and security in their actions. Originating from the world of investing, this concept is about safeguarding against the unknown by planning for more resources than you might apparently need. Consider a scenario where you're planning a major event. By applying the margin of safety, you would prepare for variables that could go awry like bad weather or additional guests. You might rent a larger venue than initially planned or have extra food on standby. This buffer ensures that, regardless of what happens, your event runs smoothly. Applying this model in everyday life means giving yourself extra leeway, whether it's time, money, or emotional energy. For example, if you estimate a task at work will take 1 week, give yourself an extra 2 days. This buffer can absorb any unexpected delays without causing stress or impacting your overall productivity. The beauty of this model lies in its simplicity and universal applicability. It's not just about avoiding negative outcomes. It's about creating a positive space where you have the freedom to adapt and the flexibility to respond to changes without panic. To effectively use the margin of safety in your life, start small. Build extra time into your daily schedule for unforeseen tasks. Budget a little more than what you think you'll spend. Over time, this practice will cultivate a mindset of preparedness, enhancing your ability to deal with surprises and reducing anxiety related to the unpredictable nature of life. Remember, the goal here is not to restrict but to empower. By planning for more than you might need, you ensure that you're ready for anything, which in turn boosts your confidence and allows you to take on challenges with a proactive stance rather than a reactive one. So, integrate this model into your planning processes and watch how it transforms your approach to both daily tasks and long-term goals. 5. The beginner's mind model. Finally, we arrive at the beginner's mind model, a beautiful concept borrowed from Zen Buddhism. This model encourages you to approach situations with the curiosity and openness of a beginner, regardless of your actual level of expertise. It's about embracing the idea that no matter how much you know, there's always something new to learn. Picture yourself trying a new sport or learning a new language. You wouldn't burden a beginner with criticism or impatience. Instead, you'd encourage exploration and celebrate small victories. Apply this same kindness and curiosity to all areas of your life. Whether you're a seasoned professional or starting a new hobby, adopting a beginner's mind opens you up to new possibilities and prevents you from becoming stagnant. Using this model involves letting go of preconceived notions and judgments. It requires humility and the willingness to say, "I don't know everything," and that's okay. This openness leads to richer experiences and insights, as you're not blinded by your biases or past successes. To practice the beginner's mind, challenge yourself to look at familiar situations through a new lens. Ask questions, seek out fresh perspectives, and be willing to make mistakes. Embrace uncertainty as an opportunity for growth rather than a threat to your competence. The beginner's mind is not just about learning new things. It's about continuously renewing your perspective, allowing for constant personal and professional growth. It promotes a lifelong journey of discovery, where every day brings new opportunities to learn and evolve. So, as you move forward, try to see the world with fresh eyes. Approach challenges with curiosity and enthusiasm. By doing so, you'll not only find innovative solutions, but also maintain a vibrant, enthusiastic spirit that attracts opportunities and fosters an environment of creativity and continuous improvement. And there you have it, 5 mental models that can dramatically shift your thinking and spark immediate change in your life. Remember, the goal isn't just to change what you think, but how you think. These models are tools to help you break out of mental ruts and see the world and your life in new ways. Thanks for watching. If you found these insights useful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content that can help you transform your life. Dive into these models, experiment with them, and let us know how they work for you in the comments below. Until next time, keep thinking differently and keep chasing your best life.